To calculate your VAT liability in UAE, you need to follow these steps. Calculate the total value of your taxable supplies. This includes all goods and services you sold or provided during the relevant tax period. You need to exclude any supplies that are exempt from VAT or outside the scope of VAT. You can find the value of your taxable supplies on your sales invoices or in your accounting system. Calculate the total value of your input tax. This includes the VAT you paid on your business purchases during the relevant tax period. You can find the value of your input tax on your purchase invoices or in your accounting system. Determine your VAT liability. To determine your VAT liability, subtract the total value of your input tax from the total value of your taxable supplies. The result is the amount of VAT you owe to the UAE government for the relevant tax period. If the total value of your input tax is greater than the total value of your taxable supplies, you can claim a refund of the excess input tax. File your VAT return. You must file your VAT return with the Federal Tax Authority, FTA, and pay the VAT liability by the due date. The last day to file any VAT return, be it monthly or quarterly, is the 28th day of the month following the end of the VAT return period. For instance, if you are filing a quarterly VAT return for the quarter that runs from February to April, then the last day to file this return would be the 28th of May.